What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to share with you a smart way you can use Google and more importantly Google Translate and get paid over $30 every 10 minutes literally just for typing on Google.
So we'll be seeing if Incognito Money's channel will actually help us to make money. Now when I see those numbers, I think they are far-fetched, but let's give him a shot.
Now this is something that anybody can do right now without actually having any skills or having any experience, completely for free, and more importantly this is something that's completely unsaturated because like 95% of people who are doing these kinds of methods are not actually focusing on the exact aspect that I'm going to share with you in this video.
A lot of red flags already. So he's saying that it doesn't require any skills, yet it's an unsaturated market. I don't think so for that kind of money. Remember that he's claiming that we can make over $30 in 10 minutes.
Now make sure to watch till the end to learn exactly step by step how to set this up properly so you can make anywhere from like $30 up to $50 every 10 minutes simply by doing this very simple method. And also watch until the end of the video because I'm going to share with you 2 more websites.
From $30, now we have increased up to $50 for 10 minutes work. His main focus seems to be the watch time, so he always asks you to watch till the end. He could have just given out the websites, but no. Let's stretch this out and make it a long video.
These websites are going to help you boost the results and you are going to be making those $30 to $50 every 10 minutes just like you see in the headline of the video, so it's actually going to work.
Come on, give us something to hold on to.
But make sure to watch until the end of the video.
You see his main concern now? It's always the watch time. Myself as a YouTuber, I like the watch time as well. It helps to grow the channel, but not like this. Not by tricking the viewer.
Okay guys, now in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Google and pretty much make money online by doing this. Now once you're going to see this, not only you will think to yourself that this is so simple that you can definitely do it right after watching the video, you'll also think to yourself like, okay, this is so smart, why I haven't thought about it before.
It took him 2 minutes to start speaking about how to actually make money. Come on, give us something.
So first of all, what you want to do is just go to Google. You want to search for Google Translate. And we are just going to be using this little translate feature to actually make hundreds of dollars. And you're going to see exactly why this is so clever.
To be honest, I haven't seen the whole video yet, but as soon as I saw Google Translate, I know that this is going to be simple. I think so. Let's see. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I'm thinking that it will be mainly a Google Translate job through Fiverr or Upwork, something like that.
I'm going to put here best recipes for keto diet and you can see it's going to write me this.
Okay, now I'm intrigued. Let's see what he's coming up with.
Now what you want to do with the search result, this is just like a headline you are searching for. You want to copy that part and you want to open up another Google window and just paste it there and search for that.
Alright, so I might be wrong. I don't know which direction he's going to take.
So what this is going to do is give you all high quality content that we can actually use in a very legit way.
So what is he going to do with these French recipes and how is it making him $30 per 10 minutes?
Now step number 2, you want to go to ClickBank, Digistore or any affiliate network of your choice. I recommend ClickBank for this example, but I just want to demonstrate it. And you want to go for example like health and fitness.
So now I know how he came up with $30 per 10 minutes. Obviously he will be doing this through affiliate links, but to do proper affiliate marketing, you need a big audience. Otherwise, you won't make any sales. So how is he going to drive traffic?
And now I want to show you how to actually turn this into real cash. Just head over to this website that's called medium.com and I'm going to show you how to actually use it to get plenty and plenty of traffic.
Just to show you, this is medium.com and practically it's Pinterest but for writers. He will tell you to paste all the articles here and to paste your affiliate link to get the traffic from here. But I don't see it working, guys. And if it will work, you most definitely won't make $30 in 10 minutes. He's doing the same as most influencers and gathering up watch time to be paid from YouTube. All he seems to care about is the watch time. He keeps on repeating and repeating without ever getting to the point. If you check out his videos, almost all of his videos are over 8 minutes long. And most definitely, he can do them in around 3 or 4 minutes. Anyways, do you think that this has helped you to make money? For me, it has surely not, and this is why I show you these types of videos. Do not be tricked by them. Most of the time we spend a lot of time watching the same videos, but without ever getting anywhere. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.